2018 Ford F-250 XLT Super Crew Silver. Over two-tone leather interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, electronic climate control, trailer brake controls, heated power mirrors. There's a look at the rear seat. Power deployable running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, spray and bed liner, toolbox. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 6.7 liter Powerstroke Turbo diesel, so it's got lots of torque. And like all pre-owned vehicles and Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.